Welcome back to ABC 7 at noon. Well, it's time for our monthly FirstLight, Financial Minute. Joining me now to tell us about the 5 steps to smart tax management is Eddie Ortopesa with FirstLight Federal Credit Union. Thanks so much for being here.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate you.
So let's first off start with what is smart tax management for people who don't know.
Yeah, thank you for asking me. So smart tax management would be just being prepared, being organized, having all your paperwork in line. So when you do meet with your tax preparer, you're ready to rock and roll and get your taxes filed. But just being organized and being prepared is the biggest things you want to do.
Got it. Okay. And for some people who may not have done their taxes yet, these are definitely some great tips. The first one that you guys have is to make sure that you're paying the right amount in taxes. So what do people need to know about that?
Yes, so paying the right amount with taxes. Essentially, when you're filing your taxes, you should essentially be paying $0 when you are filing your taxes. However, if you are receiving a $2,000 refund, essentially you paid an additional $166 per month during the last year in taxes extra. So you got to pick what you want to do. Do you want to receive a $2,000 refund, or would you rather net more on a monthly basis for you and your family? But essentially, paying $0 is the best way to go when you're filing your taxes. That's paying the right amount.
Got it. And I know that sometimes it throws people off when they do have to pay some taxes back. So definitely a great tip. Another one you guys have is make the most of your adjustments, deductions, and credits. So what do you mean by that?
Yes, your adjustment, deductions, and credits, right? Making sure you have all your documentation when it comes to any medical expenses that you paid, any school expenses that you paid, any mortgage interest that you paid throughout the year. And ultimately, if you're employed, then you need your W-2s, and having all those documentation, deductions, and credits will help maximize your refund. And there's a little caveat as well in there, is any charitable donations that you have given out, you can include that as well to maximize your refund.
Got it. And speaking of refunds and just any other questions, your other tip is to talk with a financial advisor. What are some of the pros for that as well?
Yes, so you could speak to a financial advisor. There are financial advisors everywhere, but essentially a financial advisor is going to help you look how to grow your money. That refund that you're receiving, maybe you need to look here at FirstLight, where we have a 6-month CD at a 4% rate. Maybe that tax refund you can throw into a share certificate and see that $2,000 or whatever it may be grow throughout that year, throughout that 6-month period. But ultimately, a financial advisor is going to help you maximize your refund and grow your funds.
Got it. And speaking of growing funds, your last tip is to maximize your retirement savings plans, which has been a huge talker, especially with the pandemic kind of coming and going. But why is it important to do that as well?
Receiving that tax refund, this is a great start to start a savings plan for you and your family. And you could look at a retirement plan if you don't have one right now. Again, a financial advisor can help with that. But ultimately, starting your retirement plan or looking to boost your retirement savings plan for you and your family in the future. And you may want to look at your employer and say, am I maximizing my 401k with my employer so I can recoup the benefits down the line with your retirement?
Got it. And a lot of, speaking of money, we've had a lot of talk about banks recently in the news, Silicon Valley Bank kind of tanking recently, and it's got a lot of people worried. So what do people need to know, especially those customers of yours at FirstLight Federal Credit Union?
In 2008, there was a financial crisis with banks. In 2023, there was a financial crisis again with banks. However, there's a common denominator in there that credit unions haven't been involved in those financial crises. So a credit union is a great place to have your money safe, and we are here to help you here at FirstLight.
Awesome. Cool. Well, Eddie, thank you so much for being here and breaking down all these tips for us. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much for having me.
And again, if you missed any of this, we'll have this interview plus all those tips over on our website, kbia.com. We'll be right back.